4. Date price range. Calculate profit-loss ratio. The date price range feature makes it easier for investors to predict price changes and target prices, informing their trading decisions. How can we use it? Again, let's take the M-top pattern as an example. Generally, once the stock price breaks below the neckline, the downside potential equals the distance between the neckline and a high. In this case, we can first measure that distance. Then, calculate the potential target price by subtracting the figure from the neckline level. We've offered demos on how to use some of the drawing tools on Moomoo. It's important to note that line drawing requires constant verification and adjustment based on changing market conditions. Traders should take account of other technical indicators, fundamentals, and the market environment to make better investment judgments. Join Moomoo Learn to gain more investing know-how.